Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samiksha and I am here again with yet another video. So if you know me, which you don't, so I want to tell you that I am a bag person and I love handbags. So आज मैं अपना handbag collection दिखाने वाली हूँ and it's not gonna be crazy bag collection, but जो मेरे पास है वो मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ because I'm so excited. So if you see तो पीछे भी कुछ bags पड़ा हुआ है, so that is not gonna be counted because वो मैं donation के लिए देने वाली हूँ. So जो collection मेरे पास है that I currently use is gonna be that. Let's get started with the very first bag. Okay, so first has to be this bag which is very cute handbag which is in hot pink color from BB. And the most iconic thing about this bag is the brand because BB gives very early 2000 vibes and also यहाँ पे पूरा अच्छे से bedazzle हो रखा है which gives very chic vibe to it. And the only thing that I don't like about this bag is the chain because I am a person who loves golden accent to bags or whatever accessories. This is silver, so that is the only point that is lacking. Okay, and then inside we have this amazing separate compartment for your card holder and stuff, and then we have the compartment with a chain, and you can see there's a logo as well, and the material is so good inside as you can see. You know, if you see तो आपको लगेगा कि इसमें ज़्यादा space नहीं है, but to my surprise it holds a lot of things because first of all एक तो ये बहुत sleek है which I love, तो आपका phone wallet सब कुछ easily आ जाता है, and when we carry it gives a little personality to it. I love it because of the color as well, and the chain अगर golden होता तो 10 on 10 होता. Okay, I got this crazy idea just now, so while I show you the bag I am also gonna rate it. I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10. One only because of the accent, the accessory accent. So if it would have been gold, so I would have rated this 10 out of 10. Okay, do let me know your ratings as well. Okay, let's move on to the next bag, and this has to be this bag from Savannah. Okay, I have the issue with the quality of the gold accent because this was supposed to be gold, now it has turned silver, which is quite okay. I have some bills here from Bhansagar. Okay, and then I have a lot of candies, and then I also have this perfume. It goes with every one of your outfits, so that's why I love this. Okay, so overall quality of the bag is nice because as you can see this is PU leather, and the material is very good. I'm gonna rate this a 7 out of 10. Okay, let's move on to the next bag. I have a very mixed feelings about this bag. This has to be this amazing bag. Okay, it looks nice, but also I feel like I don't know, I have a mixed feeling about this bag. Okay, so first of all, when I saw this bag, I got it from Ajio. I don't know the brand, but I got it from Ajio, and when I saw it on the ad I was like, oh my god, this bag is so cool. I have this Sleepy Owl coffee here, and I have another Sleepy Owl coffee here, and a Pulse candy. So the best thing about this bag is this is really cool for if you are styling a street style outfit, and if your outfit is very casual, so you can add this bag so that it gives a little upgrade to your outfit. And this is how it opens. This doesn't have a chain, and okay, this bag holds a lot of stuffs, by the way. Something from the Lakme. I don't know what this is. Yeah, so this holds a lot of stuff. This is how it looks, and this is how it looks from the back. And if you carry it like this, if I am wearing very casual outfit, so it's gonna look very cool. I have carried this bag only 2 or 3 times. I should carry this more often, which I feel is so cool. I'm gonna rate this 8 out of 10. Do let me know what are your thoughts. Okay, let's move on to the next bag, which has to be this bag. Okay, so this is one of my oldest bag, which I feel, I don't know where I got it from, I forgot. I think Ajio only. So this is so cool because it is the dupe of Bottega, we all know. So this is how it looks when you carry it. I have a time zone card here. Oh my god. And what else? nothing. Okay, so yeah, this has to be so cute, and look at this. This is how it looks, and I still carry this. This is a dupe, but it gives me so much personality, so that's why I love this. So I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10. I would not say it's a dupe. I think it's inspired by it. So yeah, it is this bag. The color is amazing, goes with every one of your outfit. Okay, now let's move on to the next bag. So this has to be this. Oh my god, look at this. It's from Juicy Couture, and okay, pink. We all love pink, and the gold detailing, it's too cool. I got it from Shoppers Stop, and if you see the chain, the detailing is so cool. It has a little heart and GC logo here, and if you see, it's a bucket type, but it's a sling bag as well. So if you want, you can remove the sling and carry it like a bucket bag as well. Okay, is it, why is it not focusing? Okay, so if you see this bag, you'll feel it's a very small bag, but you guys are wrong. It holds my water bottle, my power bank, my mobile, my card holder, my keys, and whatnot. So this is really spacious bag if you see. Okay, and then you can see the logo inside, and then you have a chain compartment for your keys and your essentials. This I carry on my everyday basis because I just love to carry it like that. So this is best for everyday basis if you're going to the mall, if you're going to grab a coffee, because it's a sling, so you don't have to carry it all the way. So if you see, previously all my bags were shoulder bags because I love shoulder bags. So in everyday scenario, it is really difficult to carry a shoulder bag, so that's why I wanted this amazing sling bag. So I got this one, and it has a very amazing material as well. So that's why I will obviously rate this a 10 out of 10. Okay, so a little disclaimer, you are gonna see a lot of Juicy Couture bags coming in. Now we'll see another Juicy bag, which is this. Okay, this has a chain, and you can carry it like this. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is a quilted bag, as you can see. Coolest thing about this bag is you can see the initial JUIC all along the chain. Okay, so let's come to the limitations of this bag, because I feel like the quilted handle is too much for me, because you cannot make a shoulder bag also because it's really uncomfortable, and at the same time when you make the sling here, it is very weird looking, so that's why I don't like it. And also second one is the chain, because the chain is silver, as I already told you, so I am not a very big fan of silver. So let's rate this bag, and I think I'm gonna rate this a 7 out of 10. Let's move on to the next bag, and this has to be this Coach bag. Amazing monogram Coach bag. It's a vintage tissue, okay, and a card holder, right? And if you see the insides of this bag, it's actually so cute. It's pink. It's, oh my god, so sleek. एक तो ये बैग हर किसी के साथ जाता है. इफ यू आर वेयरिंग इंडियन, इफ यू आर वेयरिंग वेस्टर्न ड्रेस, या फिर आप कैजुअल भी पहनते हो, तो भी ये हर किसी के साथ अमेजिंगली जाता है. I like to carry it like a shoulder bag, but you have a sling as well for the sling. I would 100% rate this a 10 out of 10. We have this amazing, oh my god, I am obsessed with this bag. This has to be my favorite bag in the lot, and this is the bag. Okay, this is from the brand called Basic Eagle. Basic Eagle. If you are someone who loves international brand but also looking for a budget bag which is a very good quality, and I think you should go for this one. Actually, I got it on a very good price. So the MRP is, I guess, 11k, but I got it for 7-8k, which is so good for this bag. And the best thing about this is the personality of this bag is this charm. As you can see, it has this little heart, star, tassel, a little cute pouch. So mostly I keep my keys in here, and the Basic Eagle bag. Okay, top notch quality, and you have the logo here, and it's a flat bag actually, so it's magnetic opening, and I have a lot of stuff here as well. And okay, I'm not going to show you what it is. It's actually my makeup. So in this whole lot of bag, if I have to suggest you a bag, this has to be this. This can be a shoulder bag, this can be a sling bag, and I use it every day on my everyday basis, and this is the condition. I really love this bag. And if you don't like the charm, if you feel like the charm is too much for your personality, you can just remove it anytime. Okay, I love the charm though, so I like to keep it my way. I love the charm though, it is so cute. This is how it looks, but it doesn't look that bad as well, right? So this whole charm is so cute. Okay, so there are only 2 bags left now, so I am gonna start with the miniest one. Okay, so this is also a juicy. I think I had unboxed this bag with you guys only. So oh my god, I love this. This is a clutch. Okay, I have a mirror here and tissues and tissues and tissues. Okay, I forgot to rate this bag, so I'm gonna rate this at 10 out of 10. I love this bag. Okay, continue. So this is a very party bag. If you are going on a party, if you are going on a club, so I feel like this is the best bag because it has this amazing brown texture which goes with every one of your outfit, and you can see the logo here is so amazing, and the whole canvas is the Juicy Couture hologram, and if you open it, it's a flap bag, and you have a pocket here and obviously here, and then you have the card holder type situation here. So I feel like all in all it's a great bag. If you don't want the sling can be removed. All you have to do is remove it, and it is removable, and you can carry it as a clutch as well. I am a very biased in favor of the sling, that's why I love it. And another great hack is that if you do it like this, crisscross and close it, then you have a shoulder bag. It's a 3-in-1 bag, so it's an amazing bag. So I think I'm gonna rate this. Okay, I think I'm gonna rate this at 10 out of 10 because there's nothing wrong with this bag. So let me quickly keep this. I am not ready for this one because this is too good. I love this bag so much. Oh my, I'm gonna cry. It's so cute. Okay, so let's continue. I just got a call, so the angle might be a little off. Okay, so let's continue with this bag. Okay, so this is the Juicy Couture. Amazing. Look at this bag and tell me anything wrong about this bag. No, you cannot tell me anything because there is nothing wrong with this bag. So this is the front. We have the pocket here. Back is also really cute. So I love Juicy Couture bag, as you have already know. So how did I purchase it? Okay, this has a little story time behind it. So I wanted a bag for a very long time, and a tote bag specifically. As you know, I have a sling bag and a shoulder bag, but not a really nice tote bag. Okay, so I wanted a bag which was tote and as well as not common, right? And I wanted a very girly bag, not very we all know what kind of bag we are talking about. Okay, so I wanted that bag. So I was like, I saw this post on Juicy Couture official account, and they have this amazing bag, and this was called the Daydreamer bag. I was like, oh my god, I want it so bad, but everywhere I looked, I find it fishy because everything was firstly second hand, which I did not wanted to buy, and most of it was from eBay. So I was like, no, I don't want it from eBay because I don't know will it be genuine or not, right? So I was like, let's do one thing, let's forget about this bag because in India you are not gonna get it anyway. So I forgot about it. So mostly Juicy bag I get it from Shopper Stop. So I went and asked them, and they did not have it. Okay, so I was like heartbroken obviously, and they said India mein to launch hi nahi hua hai, India mein to aaya hi nahi hai, nahi aayega. So I was like, forget about it, you are not gonna get it. And then one day I was in Select City Walk Saket, and I saw this bag, okay, and I was like, oh my god, I want this bag. Okay, I was like so adamant, I want this bag. Okay, so I asked them the price, and they said 18k. Okay, 18k was a lot for me to pay. So I was like, no, abhi right now I cannot afford it, I will not buy it. So I was like, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं आप रखो. So I was really heartbroken because I wanted to buy it also, and I was like, this is gonna sold out really soon, and ये कभी भी वापस stock में भी नहीं आएगा. So I was like, what to do? Okay, so next time I had the money, and I was like, let's do one thing, I will go and buy it. Okay, so I went to the store that is Bagline. Okay, I got this from Bagline, and then I went to the store and I asked them, do you have the bag? And they said, no, we don't have it. Okay, again heartbroken. This time I had the money and they don't have the bag. So I was leaving the store. There's this one guy who comes and said like, which bag do you want it? So I showed him the Daydreamer one, and I wanted it in the same color. Okay, so I showed him that, and then he said, ये तो पड़ा होना चाहिए हमारे पास, हम ना like उसमें देखते हैं, like what do we call it? जो स्टोर होता है उनका, जो भी जहाँ पे सामान रखते हैं, सो स्टोरेज, ओके, स्टोरेज में देखते हैं। आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, तो फिर उन्होंने बोला कि आप 1 घंटे में आ जाना, देन विल सी कि वहाँ पे होगा या नहीं होगा। सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, 1 घंटा मैं खा पी के मस्त आराम से जा रही थी। देन आई वेंट देयर एंड आई आस्क्ड देम लाइक मेरा आपको बैग, देन दे सेड यस, ओनली वन पीस, और ये यहाँ पे अब नहीं आएगा, एंड दिस हैज टू बी द ओनली पीस। And I was so happy because I wanted this bag, and I feel like it was meant for me because the color, the velvet, the leather, everything screams Samiksha. This is such a Samiksha bag, okay? So I was like, oh my god, let's pack it, and I got this bag. So it's a very, thing that if you want it, manifest it, अपनी नजर वहां पे रखो, एंड यू वुड गेट इट, यू विल गेट इट, राइट? सो तुम्हें मिलेगा ही मिलेगा वो चीज। आई वाज लाइक पैक कर दो, मैं जा रही हूँ, मैं बैग लेके जा रही हूँ। एंड इट हैज अटैच मिरर एज वेल, जो यहाँ पे जे का लोगो है। अनदर थिंग अबाउट दिस बैग इज दैट सारी जो डिटेलिंग है ना, ये पूरा गोल्डन में है, विच आई लव। लुक एट द चार्म्स हियर, इट इज सो कूल। Okay guys, that was my whole bag collection. Do let me know which one of these were your favorite, and I really enjoyed making this video, and this was one of my favorite videos जहाँ पे मैंने अपने bag collection दिखाया, and I absolutely love it, and also give me suggestion कि किस पे video बनाना चाहिए and what you guys want to see more often. So that is all for this one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.